Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do some really cute, easy, and inexpensive Christmas gifts. So my first gift I'm going to do is one of these cute buffalo plaid. Obsessed with this pattern right now. This is like a makeup bag I think I got at Target. It was $3 in their like little dollar section or whatever. So I'm gonna make these personalized for a couple of my friends. So all you need is a makeup bag. So this is like a flannel material, and then I've already cut out some designs. So I'll show you what those are gonna look like. And so I did these out of heat transfer vinyl. This is from my Auntie Tay champagne Christmas pack. So it comes with all these colors. This creamy color is one of them, so really cute. And you can get 10% off if you use my code TheCraftScrap. So I'll link that at the bottom of this too. So all you need is some heat transfer vinyl and then a heat source. I'm going to be using just an iron, but you can, I don't know if you could do a heat press with this actually, but I'm just going to use an iron. That's going to work for me. And you'll also need some parchment paper too. So let's get started. Alright, so first I'm just going to start by weeding these. So I'll show you what the design is going to be. So in her HTV pack, this is a cream Sizer or Caesar Easy Weed. So what's really cool about those heat transfer vinyl packs is if you want to like mix and match patterns, she's basically already done that for you. So really awesome idea from Auntie Tay. So I'm just gonna weed this so you can kind of see what the design is gonna be. This is I'm also using, or what I use to cut this file, or this cut file is also from Auntie Tay. So she also has some SVG files too that you can use. So she's just amazing. So literally the only thing that's going to take any time at all for this is weeding, but other than that, this is a really easy gift. So it's cute, so I'm going to put that on here. So it'll be like a little personalized makeup bag. Making these for two of my friends. They're actually sisters, and they are also crafters. So the thing that's going to take the most time is weeding these leaves up here, but once we get these done, they will be finished. So, and also just one thing to be mindful of with all of these little leaves is you want to make sure you don't get one of these little scraps stuck on here, because once you iron it, I know there's ways that you can get HTV off, but it's a real pain, so just FYI. Alright, this is our last leaf. So this is going to be our super cute design we're going to put on our makeup bag. Alright, so I'm just going to make sure there's nothing in here. Alright, good. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm just going to put this on here. So it's centered, relatively centered. It's about 12.5, so that looks pretty good to me. So now, right, grab my piece of parchment, and I have my iron on the hottest setting, like cotton or linen. So the directions for this vinyl say to, let's see, so the Easy Weed is 3:05 for 15 seconds. So I'm going to do this in 2 different sections. So I'm going to put pressure on. All right, so we have our first super cute makeup bag, personalized makeup bag for my friend Alex. Okay, so before I finish these up, I just want to point out one thing. So remember how I told you guys to be careful with the little scraps? So now this is ironed on here, and I really can't get it off unless I really work at it, and I've heard you can iron from the back too. So a quick and easy fix to do this is, so I'm going to take one of these leaf scraps from my pile, and I'm just going to like lay it over here and cover it. It's hard because my hands are a little sweaty. So I'm not gonna just scrap this whole gift because of one little mistake, and also because the 2 friends I'm giving these to are crafters too, so they know how it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lay that there. I'm going to take my little heat sheet back, and I'm just going to play with it until it looks, you know, kind of natural. So, and the reason I'm showing you guys this is because, one, this kind of stuff happens and we're not perfect, and no matter how hard sometimes you try to be careful, things happen. But you can salvage it. So I'm just gonna put my heat transfer sheet back over, and I'm just gonna press it for a couple of seconds. Alright, so now, even though it obviously is not perfect, that little mistake, and with something like this you can barely even see it. So now we have both of our super cute makeup bags with our anti-tay HTV. So if you have any questions or thoughts, comments, concerns, leave me a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy fall and happy crafting!